Hi, my name is John Bosworth. I'm a licensed mental health counselor in St. Petersburg, Florida. We're going to talk a little bit about what you can do with a psychology degree. It's kind of right up my alley. I just literally collaborated on a book called A Guidebook to the Human Service Professions with two other professors at University of South Florida, Dr. William Eminer and Dr. Michael Richard. And that book is available through Charles Thomas Publishing. But basically in that book, we all came together over the last few years and thought about what do undergraduate students, or what do even people think of psychology? And when people think of psychology, sometimes you get a couple different responses. You know, what are you going to do with a psychology degree? What can you make a living with that? And most people at the undergraduate level say, well, I got all the good-looking girls in my class, so I'm just going to get my psychology degree, and then I'll think about it after that. Actually, not a bad response, because there are a lot of things you can do with it if you're undecided at the undergraduate level. And many of the things that you can do with a psychology degree have to do with graduate level education, but there are still some interesting things that you can do with a bachelor's level. At the bachelor's level, the earning potential is probably going to be a little bit less than if you're, certified or licensed and have the graduate degrees, but you still can, earn a nice living, and you can still basically help people if that's what you got into psychology, for in the first place. So on the bachelor's level side, that kind of covers it. You can work as a mental health tech and some of the other, entry-level positions at community mental health centers or residential facilities. The graduate level programs are where you really start getting into more of the specialization. And specializations can include anything from clinical psychology to rehabilitation counseling. These are some of the things you can do with a psychology degree. My name is John Bosworth, and I'm a licensed practitioner in St. Petersburg, Florida.